Well, hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Just a man and his deuce and a half. My name is Bill. And yes, quick update on the old hand. After waiting 6 days to see the doctor, surgeon, whatever, specialist, whatever you want to call him, he reconfirmed that yes, I'm going to need surgery. So waited 6 days. ER doctors told me that I was going to require surgery. So now he tells me I got to wait till Monday. So 6 more days. So yes, there's that. And today I'm going to title this truck. What? I've already put the stencil down on this door, and I will. So what I did is I got on the ever-loving Amazon.com. I'm sure by now everyone has shopped at Amazon. If you haven't, more power to you. Get your stuff wherever you want to. I like my stuff straight out of China, so that's where I like to shop. And it's light on my checkbook. Like there's a checkbook really anymore these days. Anyway, so this is actual military stenciling. I think it's a 2-inch, if I'm not mistaken, and works pretty good. Like I said, I've got it right here on the door. Did not come with a period. I'll probably make my own little dot to put behind major. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like after I spray it. But I do got some white spray paint, and I'm getting ready to spray this. So let me put the camera back where it was, and I'll let y'all watch me spray it. Being that I'm kind of 1.5 handed, I really didn't, and this took literally forever to tape up, because it really sucks not having full mobility in a hand. I have like a total of 3 fingers, and they're not, they're kind of restricted with this cast. So anyway, all right, let me put the camera back. I'll grab my spray can, and we'll rattle can this bastard. Fun part is, I'm not left-handed. I don't think I can hold this with my right hand. We're gonna try it, but just in case, I'll be spraying this with my left hand. Ugh. So this should be interesting. Okay, here we go. We go with light coat. Got my door, damn it. All right, let that sit for a second. Like I needed one more piece of tape on the end there to keep me from spraying my dadgum door. But I just barely got it. All right. Awesome. Oh boy. One down. That only took an hour. All right, well, I tried to get this off taking the whole thing, but that don't seem to be working. So I'll just peel this off. Figured y'all I'd like to see come off as I'm taking it off. out of the paint a little bit. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that worked. Alright, well, that mostly worked. Definitely needs a period. Alright. Let me get you all up a little closer. There it is. Anyway, probably not going to go ahead and show the other side. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this little quick video about all I can do, you know, with 3 fingers. So anyway, the really nice comments about the little hand injury video I put out the last. Appreciate the comments. You know, you have no idea how that made me feel. And don't forget, I have another channel for everything that's not Deuce related or not military related. It is drones, guns, and automobiles. Check out that channel. I'll leave a link. I don't know, maybe a link right there. Go ahead and hit that, and you can check out my other channel, and please subscribe to that one. That way you can. I will see you all in the next video. Again, thanks for watching.